So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumo Rockloon here for another toy review. So we will be talking about the FunJoy 112 scale model kit, which is Venom. So guys, itong nakikita nyo sa screen, this one is a very comic-like details ang nakikita ko after I build it. So, I finish it building around 30 minutes. Pakita natin. So, guys, ngayon ko lang na-upload ang video about sa toy review. So, ayan guys. So, 37, or let's round it up, at least 40 minutes in total, kasama na yung stand. So, key points here guys, doon sa 6 runners na nakuha ko with a lot of pieces, medyo mahirap siyang i-snap connect. Para sa akin, yun yung may opinion ko. And then, detail-wise, very comic-like. I love the matte black finish ni Venom. Main issue lang nakikita ko is the gap between the color or the sizes itong ng spider logo. Alright, so yun yung medyo pangit dun sa FunJoy. Now, accessories wise, it comes with the alternate head na nakikita nyo nakakabit. Hindi siya alternate head actually. It's a symbiote effect na head. Ito. Kasama yan. Itong mahaba na yan. Then the weapon, the Trendil na sword. Trendil-like sword. And then a Trendil-like axe. This one. Oh. Yan. Okay. Then another accessories included is the one closed fist for right hand. Yan. And then the default hand na open palm. Oops. Yan. Open palm hand. Now, base is good and the stand, as you can see, walang problema. So, hindi na siya hinahawan guys. Now, we're going to the articulation part. Articulation part for this one is, for me, on my opinion, is a little bit, at around rating na 6 out of 10. Okay. It has at least 22 points of articulation, but again, there are times that it cannot stand alone. Doon ako nalungkot dito sa FunJoy na to. Pag ina-articulate, lalong-lalo na yung sa leg part na napaka, alam mo yun, kahit parang loose, sabihin natin yan, medyo loose siya. At the same time, sa medyo okay eh. Napaka lightweight niya, which is yun medyo maganda, but again, there are factors without the stand and the base, medyo loose para sa akin kung titingnan. Kung makikita nyo guys, napaka-loose. Pag tumatayo siya, lalong-lalo na yung dito sa arc kasi ng feet niya, minsan ang hirap galawin or ang hirap i-pose. Jointed naman yung knees niya and elbows and everything, all good. Yung pull down action ng kanyang leg part is okay naman din. At minsan nalulus agad siya, kaya may times and may tendencies na hindi mo siya ma-pose ang maayos, tumutumba agad siya. So overall, for me, on my opinion only, I'll rate the FunJoy as at around 6 out of 10. Sa lahat ng na-build na figure ko na Marvel, siya pinakamababa. Medyo parang nakulangan ko ng additional color, lalo na sa tang. So quick unboxing, quick toy review for the Fun Boy model kit with Venom. So, this is Sumrock Luna. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more unboxing and toy review. Okay, so Sumrock Luna out. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Bye.